Alright, I am so excited to share this recipe with you. You guessed it, it's parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, and some other stuff. So you can pause this video to write down the ingredients, but it's just a basic scones recipe where I've adapted it with some nice savory flavors. First you'll put your dry ingredients all together, give them a nice stir, and then you'll be cutting your butter into these dry ingredients. Quick little tip, you can shred the butter, whether it's cold or room temperature, and then cut it real nicely into the dry. Give it a mix. Your herbs, they can be fresh or they can be dried in a pinch. Fresh tastes better, of course. Don't forget those cranberries. Make sure you push that cheese into the dough when you sprinkle it on the top so it stays. Cut in your shapes and get them on that cookie sheet. Get them in that oven at about 425 for 12 to 14 minutes until they're nice and firm. A little brown cheese on the top, a little brown on the bottom, and enjoy those Scarborough scones and that smoky Gruyere on top. Yum.